Atoms attract other atoms' electrons to varying degrees. This degree of attraction is referred to as electronegativity.
This table shows the electronegativities of the elements. The higher the electronegativity, the stronger the attraction for another atom's electrons. What happens to electronegativities as you go across a period? The electronegativities on the far left side are generally lower than those on the right side. Therefore, the elements on the left have less attraction toward another atom's electrons than the elements on the right.
What happens to the electronegativities as you go down a group? In general, electronegativities decrease within a group. Notice that the transition metals do not follow this pattern.
The difference between the electronegativities of the two elements can be used to predict the type of bond that occurs. When the difference is 0.2 or less, the bond is considered nonpolar covalent. A difference that is between the ranges of 0.2 and 1.7 is polar covalent. If the difference is 1.7 or greater, the bond is considered ionic.
What type of bond occurs between the hydrogen and chlorine atoms of hydrogen chloride? A polar covalent bond is present in hydrogen chloride. Which atom has a negative pole? Chlorine has a greater electronegativity, so it attracts the shared electrons more strongly. It is slightly more negative than the hydrogen end. Since the electrons are being pulled away from the hydrogen atom, the hydrogen end becomes the positive pole.
What type of bond exists in sodium chloride? Sodium and chlorine form ionic bonds in sodium chloride.